Hi, welcome to your next video. In this video, we're going to teach you the proper way of using your new Monat shampoo products.
Which it does not mean grabbing whatever soap's in the shower, evidently, and putting that in your hair.
That's true. There's a rhyme or reason to every time we shampoo, we're going to lather 2 different times, and let me tell you about that. So the first lather, you're going to just wet your hair down like normal, apply a nickel to quarter size amount of shampoo, so way less than you're used to, even with salon quality products. The Monat products that you just purchased are very concentrated, so they're going to stretch a long way. You're going to add that nickel to quarter size amount in your hand, rub your hands together, and just really focus at the roots on your scalp for this first wash. And yes, some of that will get on your ends, and that's great. You're going to leave that on for 2 minutes. You'll notice that your first lather does not actually lather up all that much at all, which is weird to get used to. It does mean that your products are still working, so leave those on there for 2 minutes. Rinse really well in between washes. Grab your shampoo again, and we're going to add probably less for the second lather, and you'll see that even less product is going to produce enormous amounts of sudsing.
All the suds.
All the suds. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun. So for me, that's a nickel size amount, literally a nickel size amount in my palm. Rub that together, and this time I'm getting it all over my ends and everything. So your first lather is going to really take all of the buildup from your products and also take like dirt and just oils from your own scalp and lift that up and off of your scalp and your hair and rinse that away. And your second lather is really going to remove the rest of anything left and start to penetrate into the scalp and into the hair, and that's where the magic happens. So you're going to rinse that second lather after 2 minutes and then apply your conditioner. So I use typically about another nickel size amount, so very, very little. It spreads really well, and you'll be able to tell what I'm talking about when you get yours. And you're just going to apply that all over and into your scalp too. Let that sit for about 30 seconds and rinse in cool water, which is my new little favorite trick. Rinsing in cool water just helps seal that cuticle down really nicely. So we're excited for you to start your first wash. Take a before and after picture because
super important.
It's really fun to see your own progress even after one wash.
And the more pictures, the better.
Yeah.
Because weren't you saying that you
didn't
wanted
take
to
enough
take more?
pictures. Yes. Should have got one from this angle and this angle, but anyways, enjoy your new first experience at your new shampoo.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. See you guys in the next video.